Hey, I'm Josh Vergara. What's going on, everybody? I'm Tom from the Tech Chap.
What's going on? It's GadgetsBoy.
What's up? I'm Mrwhosetheboss.
Hi, I'm Michael Josh, and you're watching GadgetMatch. Samsung Unpacked 2018 is just wrapped up. The S9 is now official. All our favorite YouTubers are around, so let's find out what they think about Samsung's latest smartphone.
Typical Samsung.
It looks great.
It looks beautiful, nice curved edges.
That purple phone, it looks beautiful.
It feels nice, just as normal, what I've come to expect from Samsung anyway.
And the fingerprint reader is where it should be.
It doesn't feel next generation necessarily.
Yeah, I mean, it's almost the same body as the Galaxy S8.
Well, they say it's a reimagining. It's not really a massive upgrade.
Very similar to the S8.
It looks a lot like the S7, the S8, but that's not really a bad thing.
It's mostly the same. Nothing next level.
To be honest with you, nowadays smartphones don't really blow me away as much as they used to anymore.
Blown away? You almost don't expect.
I wanted the form factor to be different.
Maybe a slightly redesigned back. It still looks a bit plain compared to, say, the iPhone 10 or the Pixel.
That's what makes people excited.
Obviously, they're probably going to wait for the Galaxy S10.
The thing that we really need that we don't have is incredible zoom.
I did get something that blew me away. This is the first phone with an actual aperture iris. Man, it's incredible that they were able to do that.
Probably super slow motion.
Really wide aperture on the camera.
Just the camera from the Note 8 put down into this.
I like the color.
The lilac is beautiful.
AR emojis could have been cool, but it's ended up just not working quite as I hoped it would, or like the iPhone 10.
The super slow-mo is fun to use.
90 frames per second is good. Not the first time we've seen it, but what's good about it is the user experience.
It was a your emoji.
They'll hold some sort of secret event in the next year or so, and they will announce a foldable phone.
I want to see DSLR features make it into this camera, and I can't believe Samsung is the first one to do it.
No, no, not at all. It was very generous to my jawline.
No, I don't, because I gave my AR emoji long hair. I really miss my long hair.
He actually looks like me. I like it. It looks a bit creepy, but I like it.
I'm not sure it's going to be.
No, because it uses 3D mapping and not 3D scanning.
I was pretty underwhelmed by AR emoji, I'm not gonna lie.
And they have no high tops.
It looks just like a very standard white person.
I love AR emojis so much, but mine doesn't even look like me.
If you've got an S8, you're probably not going to buy an S9.
This year's probably the year where no one needs to upgrade their phones.
That's me. See you guys.